guys, so welcome back to my channel, and today I kind of have a different video for you guys. Ugh, notifications. Okay, now stop it, Twitter. But anyways, today I have a natural hair video for you guys. I know I haven't done one in like a year and a half, like ever since I did my natural hair update. I believe that was like maybe 2 years ago. Oh my gosh, it's so bad. But yeah, so I finally did my hair on camera. I know it's been a while since I've shown you my hair, but yeah, you will see the length and everything of my hair like throughout the video. And this is just gonna be like a little voiceover and just explaining about my hair and my hair updates and how my hair has been since I big chopped and since I updated last time. So yeah, in case you guys were wondering, my hair is I believe it's 4B, 4C because it's a little bit more loose in the back and it's more tight in the front. But yeah, that's how I determine my hair. And yeah, so if you guys want to see more about my hair, my natural hair, and how I can't freaking do my hair at all, I struggle so much, then just keep on watching this video.
Alright, so I already started with one flat twist in my hair, and then I'm just going to start on the rest of my hair. So as you guys can see, my hair does look a little bit tangled, and right here in this clip I am trying to part my hair with my comb, but it is not working, so I just have to use my hands in order to separate my hair, which I have to do a lot because sometimes my hair is really hard to like detangle, and I do detangle it in separate parts, so it's a little bit easier for me. But yeah, so right here I'm just detangling my hair, and then I'm going to start my flat twist, my second flat twist. And so far my hair has grown a lot since I last big chopped in 2015. I will actually link that video down below if you would like to see it, and also my natural hair update a few months after that. And I realized I haven't actually done an update in 3 years. That is just unacceptable. Like, I don't know what's wrong with me, but so far my hair, I feel like it's really hard for me to do my hair myself, and like it takes a lot of time, a lot of effort, and I feel like people just have to learn their hair. And right now I'm using this spray bottle to rehydrate my hair, and then using the Cream of Nature Argan Oil leave-in conditioner and the POMPEIAN grapeseed oil to seal it in. And yes, the grapeseed oil is from the cooking aisle, but it works so great with my hair. I feel that any kind of grapeseed oil is, it does wonders to my hair. And the leave-in conditioner is also really good. I really like it. I kind of stole it from my sister, so I think I'm gonna have to buy her a new one because I kind of use a lot in my hair, because my hair gets really dry really fast, and it's so tiring and my hands hurt. So yeah, it didn't really take me long on how to learn how to do flat twist. I mean, at first it was really difficult for me, but now it's like I'm getting better at it, as any natural would. Like, as long as you keep practicing, you'll be able to get it. So one thing I've been struggling with a lot with my natural hair is single strand knots, and my ends not being where they're supposed to be. You see how there's like little fuzzies coming off the ends of my hair? It's those knots, and they keep knotting back up. So that's one thing that us naturals have to be careful about, is that we have to protect our ends, because if our ends are not healthy, then they're just going to break off and we will not be able to retain length. So here's a shot of the back of my hair and my little puff balls. But I separated the back section into two, and I just did single twist in the back instead of doing a flat twist, because I cannot see back there, and it's really hard for me to like just keep one flat twist all the way back. So I just separated in two and just did just two regular 2-strand twists, like a twist out. Yeah, it's been a struggle with my hair, but I'm still learning. You know, I've officially been 3 years natural, and now I gotta do the other side, and I'll be right back. So this is what the other side looks like, and it's all done, and my twists, they're okay. And then here's like the little length chest of my hair and how long it's getting. I will do another natural hair update video soon, so please stay tuned to that. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!